There is this new, it's not a meal. I think it's a snack or something. I don't know. That McDonald has released. It's a latest release, yeah, McDonald, and I've been wanting to review this thing for a while now. Taste and review. Now, okay, guys, it's chicken tenders. Look at the size of this thing. It is 50 rands. Just look at the size. And funny enough, on the picture, it looks so huge. It looks like in the enkulu. Okay, let's see one again. There you go. So it's those chicken tenders topped with bacons. Hey, cheese, guys. It's like a drop, like a drop. It's like a drop. Look at the cheese, and then there's a drop there, and that's it. Hi, Gabi. I'm not a fan of McDonald's, but their food is convenient and their outlets are convenient because I'm one of the people who usually use McDonald's whenever I'm out of electricity. I'll just go sit there, eat my breakfast, eat my lunch, and then go home in the afternoon and the work is done because I can charge. It's one of the few outlets that even has indawo zokucharger. But guys, let us taste this. The taste is just exactly what you anticipated. The chicken tenders with a little bit of cheese, bit of sweet chili. Gonna the combination, I don't wanna lie. The combination is nice, but it's not worth the price. This thing could be 30 bucks or 30, could be 30 bucks. Nane. But for a snack, yeah. Yeah.